But the government has warned for days of Russian saboteurs who've infiltrated the country to bring terror. Death squads who are attacking civilians in their cars as they flee. They do exist, as we found out.
Oh! That's a tyre, isn't it?
Oh, that's a bullet.
That was a bullet.
Right?
No, it wasn't a bullet.
It wasn't. Something blew up under us.
Something went bang.
Okay.
Oh, there's a big hole.
Okay. Oh,
Whoa!
okay.
Whoa!
Wait.
Whoa! Whoa! What? Whoa! 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 Stop! Where everyone?
We think it's a Ukrainian checkpoint and a mistake, so we identify ourselves.
British journalists! Journalists!
Journalists!
Journalista!
Can anyone? You alright, Stu?
Journalista!
Is everyone okay? You okay, Dom?
Yeah, I'm okay. Journalists!
Somehow we have to get out of this, but the rounds keep coming. It's a professional ambush. The bullets just don't miss.
Whoa!
Where can we go? Shall I crawl? Can we crawl down the embankment?
Andre! Whoa! Whoa! No! Stop! Stop! Journalist! Where are you
I'm
going?
hit, but escape the car, and with producer Dominic van Heerden, we make our way down the embankment.